In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about promoting affiliate links on Quora. I'm going to go over what products to promote, some tips and tricks on how you can promote them. I'm even going to show you how you can get this all done without really doing any work on your part, without typing any answers to the questions. This is all going to be with free tools. I'm going to explain everything in this video. This is going to be hands down the best video on how to promote affiliate links on Quora. So, let's first get into finding affiliate products to promote. Now, in my opinion, the best way that you can find products is through a website here called ClickBank. Now, what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate marketplace with tons of digital products on it. And you can start here and you can sign up for a free account, and anywhere in the world you can sign up for ClickBank. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account, but all you would do is go to start here and sign up for a free account on ClickBank. Okay, so once you've signed up for ClickBank and you're on their website, you'll be taken to their affiliate marketplace. Now, what you can do here is you can find offers in different products. So if you go to all here, you're going to have all of these categories that you can choose from. Now, my first tip, when you're promoting affiliate products on Quora or anywhere for that matter, stay within one specific niche. So there's mainly like 4 main categories on ClickBank which convert. The first one is going to be e-business and e-marketing. So anything about making money online is always going to convert. You've then got health and fitness, which always is a massive industry because people are always trying to get fit and lose weight. Then you've got a couple more which might work. Those are like computers and internet and web hosting, but I wouldn't go into them if you're a beginner. The main 2 that I would focus on are making money online and health and fitness. So I'm going to go into health and fitness, and I'm going to go into a sub-niche, which is diets and weight loss. Now, once I've done that, we're going to see all of these products here. We're sorting by rank high to low, which we can promote on Quora. Now, for the video, I'm going to promote this one here, which is a common product on ClickBank, which is the Smoothie Diet, a 21-day rapid weight loss program. And on average, we will earn $29 if people buy it. Now, this is another tip. If you're promoting products on Quora, you don't want to promote high products which cost hundreds of dollars. You want to promote products which people can impulse buy. So if we click on this, we can preview the product. So this is a recipe book which shows delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy and incredible health. And it is only $37, so it's easily impulse bought. So once you've got the product down and you know what product you're going to promote, you now need to go ahead and promote this, and you can enter in your nickname to ClickBank which you signed up with and create hop link. Then you'll get your tracking link which we can use to promote on Quora. So now we need to go to Quora and we need to find questions and answer those questions. Now I'm going to show you how you can get AI to answer the questions. So all our emphasis needs to be really is on answering these questions. So this is a product which helps people to lose weight fast. So what will people be typing into Quora or Google that we can then answer with a reply and then sell them our product? Now the first one is obviously going to be something like weight loss. So if you go ahead and search for weight loss, or if you go to the topic weight loss or weight loss diets, you're going to see people asking questions related to weight loss. So if you scroll down here, what are the best ways to lose weight? This was posted on Thursday. How do I lose weight quickly? I don't care if it's unhealthy. How much weight can I lose? How do I lose weight fast? And these are all great questions that you can go ahead and answer. Now again, we're not going to have to answer these ourselves. We're going to use an AI bot, which I'll show you in a second how you can do this. So this is one way of finding questions that you can answer. So you can go ahead and find different topics on Quora that people might be searching for. Now another way, and this is one of my favorite ways, is to go to Google and just type in your keyword that you might think people are going to be asking or searching for. So how to lose weight, and then just add Quora at the end. So now you've got what are the best ways to lose weight, and you've got all of these results here from Quora. How can I lose weight quickly? What are the best ways to lose weight? And if you go more results here, it's going to only show results from Quora, and you've got pages and pages of these Quora questions that you can go ahead and answer. So let's just take one question and we'll answer it, and I'll show you how you can do this. So what we can do, once we've found our question, so in this case, what are tips for weight loss? And again, you can use any of these, I just chose a random one. You then want to go to answer, and here you can go ahead and write your answer to this question. So what are tips for weight loss? So now if we go ahead and use this free AI tool called ChatGPT, obviously you've probably heard of this already, but you can go to ChatGPT, just Google it, it's free and you can create your account. You can say here, give me tips on how to lose weight. Then click enter, and you're now going to have ChatGPT write the answer to your question. So ChatGPT are going to give us some tips here, which once it's finished, we can then copy and paste this into Quora. Now we're not done yet. We're going to have to edit this a little bit, and we're going to have to link cleverly to our affiliate link. So make sure you stay tuned until the end, because I'll show you how to do that. So we'll copy our answer here. Here are some general tips to help you lose weight. So we'll copy this, and if we go to Quora and find the question, we can then paste this in. Now, because we want to promote our product, maybe for number 3, instead of eat a balanced diet, the tip could be follow a smoothie diet and make smoothies which can induce rapid weight loss. So now I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to say something like, write how I can lose weight with a smoothie diet in a concise paragraph. Ignore my spelling here. And to use ChatGPT effectively, it's all about asking it the right questions. So now we're going to get a concise paragraph on a smoothie diet. Okay, so we don't need all of this, we just need this one here. Use smoothies as a meal replacement. Replace 1 or 2 meals with nutrient-rich smoothies. So we'll copy this here, and this is going to be perfect for us to replace this. Okay, so now in our answer, we're saying use smoothies as a meal replacement. Now what we can do is link our affiliate product. Now you don't want to add the affiliate link straight into your answer because they're going to recognize it as an affiliate link and Quora are going to flag it as spam. So what you real quick want to do is go to Google Sites and you want to create a new site which is essentially a landing page. Now you can create landing pages for free on Google Sites. I've got an example one here. And I've also created videos on how to create a landing page, which I'll add a card up on screen now, or I'll leave it in the description. And what you would do is you would simply link, you would link here your affiliate link. So you would go ahead and just type in something like get your delicious, easy to make smoothies today. You would then go to this link button and you can add your affiliate link here. So again, we will go to ClickBank, we will go to promote, and all you would do is get your link, copy your affiliate link from ClickBank. Then if we go to Google Sites, we can paste this in here. So now this link will go to the landing page, and if someone buys, we will earn a commission. So now let's publish this. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and view published site, and we can copy our Google Sites link here, which again links to our landing page. So there we go, it links to the smoothie diet. So now on Quora, we can say something like, the best smoothie diet recipe book, and then you can go ahead and paste in your link. Okay, so there it is, we've now added it, and obviously make sure that everything else makes sense in your answer. You can then go ahead and post this, and then once it's posted, you'll then see your answer here, and you'll have a link to your landing page, and when people click on this, they're going to go to your landing page, which you've made for free in Google Sites, and this is very easy. It doesn't have to even look this good, but all I've done is grabbed images from the actual landing page. So I've grabbed some images from here and I've just added my affiliate link here. So then if someone wanted to click on it and buy, we would then earn a commission when they buy this product. You want to do this again for all of these different questions and answer these with ChatGPT. So you don't really have to answer them, you just have to kind of put the information together. And that's why I say stick to one niche, because you can create one landing page and just send everyone to that landing page and it's all going to work. So that's been the video. Let me know if you've got any value in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.